No matter what, no matter what the cause, what your cause is for coming here. We came here to learn, no matter what, because this is endless. Ain't no such thing as time. So you know, shit, we put certain comics in our lives just to teach us lessons. See what I'm saying? We picked our lessons to learn. So all the things that you went through in your life, you chose that. But you know, so many of us forgot. See what I'm saying? You chose everything that you go through in your life because you know it's gonna bring you to your evolution point. See what I'm saying? You know that you know that you are powerful. We picked this. Come on, man. That's what makes us so great. That's what makes us so great. Cause all that we go through and we still manage to love and rise from it. See what I'm saying? That's you. Like that's the evil part of you. So you have to experience that energy. See what I'm saying? You have to experience it in order for you to be able to share with other people and help other people because you know you was gonna come up out of that shit, come out on top. See what I'm saying? How you think I'm able to share with y'all how to come up out? Cause I didn't. I was hard on myself. See what I'm saying? I picked the hard route. I took the hard route. See what I'm saying? Because I needed to experience all of that. I'm a life pad 9. See what I'm saying? I needed to experience that so because I know I am powerful. I know I was gonna come up out on top. I know what it took. We all knew what it took. So that's why I say like you gotta look at your ain't no such thing as problems. You know, it's just a course. It's just a test. Like, see what I'm saying? So you gotta look at that like that's to make you a greater you. See what I'm saying? That's all it is. That even like the situation with you know the evil entities coming at us. You chose that because this is gonna make you rise. Because you gotta experience. We came here to experience everything so that you can appreciate it more. Because if you don't experience the darkness, you won't appreciate the light more. See what I'm saying? If you don't experience hate, you won't appreciate love. See what I'm saying? And it starts within. So like, you know, that's why I say the very demons that's controlling a lot of these people that come through here trying to tear people down and shit. We didn't battle those demons. Them demons coming back, they trying to get their lick back. You hear me? Knowing good and well they can't defeat us, knowing good and well that they're afraid of us, so they still trying to get their lick back. Them same demons. We defeated them demons already. That's why we can see straight through that shit. We rose above it. See what I'm saying? We rose above that shit. Like you gotta know, you gotta love yourself. You know that was one of the things that they tried to push so much was the fear. Like a lot of people are afraid of who they are, afraid of themselves. Come on, man, it's nothing to be afraid of. Much gratitude for y'all tuning in. Much gratitude. I'm sending love, peace, abundance, prosperity to all. May we rise in unity. We are raising the vibration up in here. Each one teach one. We are rising in frequency. You gotta love on you. Stay loving you. Fuck. Once you know, you know. Cause can't nobody get in your way but you. See what I'm saying? Cause we all create our own reality. You have the ability to program yourself. Like you run your reality. You run your reality. So if you don't give consent to anything in your reality, then it won't get power. See what I'm saying? So that's just like, you know, a lot of the bots that come. shit, you have the ability to hold your power, to keep your power. You don't have to let them move you. You are in control. You got to remember that. And you got to remember that you love yourself. So you want to focus on keep rising. You want to keep on rising. Because you know the evil entities, they are here to tear down. They don't serve a purpose, a greater good in your life. The only purpose that they serve is for you to rise. See what I'm saying? Rise above them. Rise above it. But you got to experience in order to know what to do with that energy. Beautiful souls. Beautiful souls. Tell yourself you love yourself. Tell yourself you are amazing every day. You know, tell yourself that. Every day you are a creator. I am that I am. You hear me? Love on yourself, man. Reflections. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Shit, we are rising and they don't like it. But that's on them. Shit, they going down. Like you gotta activate all bodies. All your bodies become one. That's what oneness is about. You multi-dimensional beings. Like you gotta activate all your bodies. See what I'm saying? Embody the love. Cause we going up and up and up. You gotta activate all your bodies. See what I'm saying? Rise. Be patient. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with yourself because, like, you know, fuck.